Hello, I'm an AI digital avatar of Josh Weiss, president of 10 to 1 Public Relations, not the real Josh Weiss. Here's a Q&A recap of an article published on February 4th, 2026 by Partnership for Economic Innovation titled Arizona's Innovation Economy in 2026: Why Cross-Industry Collaboration is Our Competitive Advantage. For more information, you can also visit the website 10, letters TO, the number 1, letter P, as in public, R as in relations.com/Ivy Press Room/Partnership for Economic Innovation.
How does Arizona rank in research and development investment compared to other states?
Arizona ranks 26th nationally in R&D spending per capita, a gap that the Partnership for Economic Innovation warns will widen without immediate action. Competing innovation hubs are aggressively investing in talent, research, and infrastructure, putting Arizona at risk of losing ground. State and business leaders say the window for action is narrowing.
What impact does cross-industry collaboration have on economic growth?
The Partnership for Economic Innovation reports that cross-industry collaboration in Arizona is already producing measurable results, including cutting development timelines through applied research programs that connect companies directly with university research teams. These partnerships keep intellectual property in Arizona and focus on market-ready applications. The approach works because companies commit to specific use cases and stay engaged through commercialization.
How can businesses help close the STEM workforce gap?
Companies that directly invest in education programs see immediate returns, according to the Partnership for Economic Innovation. Community college partnerships focused on specialized manufacturing training and K-12 STEM initiatives create direct pipelines of qualified workers tailored to specific industry needs. ASU engineering enrollment grew 70% between 2014 and 2024 as a direct result of industry demand.
What are the best ways for universities and businesses to collaborate on innovation?
The Partnership for Economic Innovation reports that when companies participate as co-developers with universities, research reaches the market faster. A collaboration on wearable medical devices resulted in commercialized products in half the normal development time. These are real products solving real problems, not theoretical outcomes.
Which industries are driving Arizona's competitive advantage in the national economy?
Semiconductor manufacturing, aerospace, materials science, and medical technology are the sectors the Partnership for Economic Innovation identifies as central to Arizona's economic future. Cross-pollination among these industries accelerates innovation in ways that isolated efforts cannot match. Leaders from these fields must work beyond industry boundaries to develop solutions that create durable, high-wage jobs.
How does shared infrastructure help attract technology companies and manufacturers?
The Partnership for Economic Innovation highlights that when municipalities and companies collaborate on critical infrastructure, including energy capacity, testing environments, and digital systems, they attract manufacturing investment that competing regions cannot support. When two Arizona cities collaborated on water reclamation systems, the result drew manufacturers that other regions were unable to accommodate. Companies sharing testing facilities for advanced materials reduce costs while accelerating development timelines.
What role does policy advocacy play in building a state's innovation economy?
Innovation-friendly policies require consistent, coordinated business advocacy, according to the Partnership for Economic Innovation. When semiconductor manufacturers coordinated their message about water resources, they achieved policy changes that individual companies could not have secured alone. Aerospace companies working together similarly secured testing corridors that benefit the entire sector.
How are community colleges adapting to meet the demands of high-tech employers?
Maricopa community colleges are creating workforce pipelines based on employer specifications for high demand skills, according to the Partnership for Economic Innovation. This employer driven model ensures graduates are job ready for the specific technical needs of Arizona's growing innovation industries. The approach reflects a broader shift toward education systems that respond directly to market needs rather than traditional academic timelines.
What alternatives exist to traditional research and development timelines?
Applied research programs that connect companies directly with university research teams can significantly cut development timelines. The Partnership for Economic Innovation reports. When companies commit to specific use cases and stay engaged through commercialization, research moves from lab to market-ready application far faster than traditional models allow. This model keeps intellectual property in Arizona while delivering products with real commercial value.
Which technologies are transforming Arizona's position in the national innovation landscape?
Medical technology, semiconductor manufacturing, and advanced materials are among the sectors the Partnership for Economic Innovation identifies as central to Arizona's long-term competitive advantage. Industry university collaborations have already produced commercialized medical devices and synthetic vascular tissue used in surgical training. These breakthroughs demonstrate what is possible when businesses commit to working beyond their own industry boundaries.